Let us again discuss both the terms more precisely. In compliance testing, we gather evidence with the objective of testing an organization's compliance with control procedure. And with respect to substantive testing, what we do is what we verify is integrity of data or integrity of particular transaction or integrity of particular information. So basically compliance testing checks for the presence of control, either yes or no. On the other hand, in substantive testing, we check the integrity of contents of particular transaction or particular information. So these are the example of compliance test. We verify router whether it's properly configured. We verify system access right, whether proper controls are there. We review firewall settings. We review compliance with password policy. So these all are compliance testing. On the other hand, when we do any testing which is related to trial balance or balance sheet or profit and loss account or some inventory valuation or physical fixed asset match record, these all are the example of substantive testing. Here basically we basically review the integrity of particular transaction or particular information. So these are very important points to remember for CISA exam. First point, in any given scenario, compliance testing will be performed first. Substantive testing will be the next step. So you perform the compliance testing, you get the result. If you are satisfied with the controls, you may not go for the substantive testing as well. So result of compliance testing will be the basis for deciding the area of substantive testing. So in any given scenario, compliance testing will be the first step and the next step will be the substantive testing. Second point, in any given scenario, outcome result of compliance testing will form the basis for planning of substantive testing. We already discussed this. Okay, so now this is very important point to remember for CISA exam point. In any given scenario, attribute sampling method will be useful when testing for the compliance. Now what is attribute sampling method? Attribute sampling will give us two results, either yes or no. So in compliance also we need two results, either control is present or control is absent, either yes or no. So whenever question is there where it's being asked what is the sampling method to be used for compliance testing, so we need either yes or no. So that is attribute sampling, either control is present or absent.